down. Good boy. That's it. There we go. Look, what's up here? Oh, you got it. Good boy. What if we put it up here? All the way up the end. Good boy. That's it. Well done, Charlie.
Charlie? Charlie?
You want to turn around and get something off this table? Charlie? Can I have this phone, please? We'll put it here. Ready? You see if you can turn around. Whee! What's behind you, Charlie? What's behind you? Look, Charlie.